When you're choosing a mobile banking app in Canada, you're looking for a combination of simplicity, low fees, helpful features, and trustworthy security. Wealthsimple Cash and KOHO both aim to deliver that, but they each approach it a little differently. Let's walk through what each offers, what works, what doesn't, and which might suit you best. Let's begin with Wealthsimple Cash. This account offers no monthly fee, no everyday transaction fee, and also allows you to earn interest on your money, something traditional checking accounts rarely offer. Systems show you can get up to 2.5% interest depending on your balance and setup. On top of that, foreign transaction fees are eliminated for spending abroad with their prepaid MasterCard, and they will reimburse eligible ATM fees in Canada up to a certain amount. The mobile app is polished and user-friendly, making it easy to open an account in minutes, manage card settings, lock your card, and track your balance. Those are compelling benefits. The trade-offs: Wealthsimple is not a traditional bank. They partner with federally regulated institutions, and deposit coverage is extended via trust arrangements. Now let's shift to KOHO. KOHO is a fintech alternative to traditional banks, offering mobile-first banking with no monthly fees on its basic plan, and lots of features built for everyday spending, saving, and financial control. You'll see things like automated savings tools, budgeting features, round-up spare change, cashback offers on spending, and even early access to paychecks in some cases. For many Canadians who want a simpler, more flexible banking experience, KOHO is appealing. The upside of KOHO: it's very much built for mobile, and it has a vibrant feature set for savings and budgeting. The downside: it is also not a full bank, yet, and your account features may differ from those in full banking institutions. Some users have reported issues with customer service, limited traditional bank features like check deposits or large wires, and the need to upgrade for certain advanced features. In short, both Wealthsimple Cash and KOHO are excellent mobile banking alternatives for Canadians. Wealthsimple Cash works best when you want a strong mix of savings and spending in one place with good interest and no fees. KOHO works best when your focus is on mobile-first spending control, budgeting features, and flexibility in everyday finance. Whichever you choose, make sure it fits your personal banking habits and what you value most: interest rates and no fees, or mobile features and spending rewards. Either way, you're moving away from the high-fee legacy model towards something more modern and user-friendly.